Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. These jars by Amazing Abby are a decorator's dream. If you want to decorate your home, this is definitely the way to go. You can use these jars for so many different things. I work from home and it can definitely be hard to keep my desk organized. But this is a fun, decorative, and unique way to store my office supplies. Also, cereal boxes and candy bags, they do not look that great. So with these awesome jars, I just love the way that it makes different things look, and they are so versatile, and it makes your house look so much neater and more organized. It just looks great. So if you want to add some pizzazz to your home with these fun decorative jars by Amazing Abby, I think that you would love it. And that's my point of view.